Now, yummy, yummy, yummy. More cheese. Daisy like too much cheese. Okay. She like cheesy, guys. Come here. Sit down. You just like stubborn. This one. Sit. Here. Ayaw niyang inhawakan siya pag kumakain. Gusto niya. Ano ba? Okay. One more. Gusto niya kasi dahil cheese. Ito cheese na kinakain niya. Diba? Ito lang kinakain ng alaga ko. Ng aking. Kasi nilinis ko yung mata niya. Tapos bigyan ko siya ng cheese. Itong cheese. Moo cheese. Moo. Good girl. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. I have cheese in my hands. You want to eat? Bye-bye.